Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining the Beyond Wall Street podcast. Today's episode is going to be pretty short. I'm just going to be sharing what this podcast is all about and the purpose of it. Before I do that, I do want to share a short disclaimer. This podcast is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing discussed today or in the future constitutes investment advice, a solicitation, or recommendation to buy or sell investment products. Always consult a qualified financial advisor or professional before making any investment decision, and the views expressed by myself or our guests are their own. Now, let's get into it. Okay, so the purpose of the podcast is building relationships. That's really what it's all about. Now, the guest on our podcast, we're going to have operators of businesses, very important, influential people in those businesses, owners of the businesses. We'll also have some investors on our podcast, maybe even some, financial institutions or other capital providers. So what's the purpose of this? We're really creating an ecosystem of people that are interested in doing bigger things. Uh, that could be starting a business, acquiring a business, investing in a company, you name it. So you're going to get to hear from a variety of perspectives related to those things, and then you can form your own ideas and pathways based on the information shared. We're going to have multifamily operators and owners on here. We're going to have various business owners. Myself, I'm involved in air conditioning companies. So I've acquired 5 air conditioning companies roughly within a year and a half, and I've integrated those companies. We're implementing artificial intelligence in those companies, and we'll be acquiring more HVAC companies. Or if you don't know what HVAC means, that means just air conditioning, heating, refrigeration, that sort of thing. Those types of companies, we'll be acquiring more of those in the future. And so that's what we do, but there's a lot of other areas of business out there that people just aren't familiar with. And you might get an idea related to investing. You may get an idea related to running a company or owning a company or buying a company. And so a lot of times when people think about investing, they only think about the stock market, but there's a lot more out there. And like I said, we're not giving advice, we're not giving investment advice, but you'll get to learn from people that are doing different things, and hopefully you get some ideas as well. So I hope you enjoy the content, and so stay tuned for our future episodes.